You're going to love this. This is the 2019 Maserati Levante GTS SUV. Just gorgeous. Dave Stahl brought it in. I mean, this is spectacular.
This thing is this thing is unbelievable. I mean, we've had the Levante in here before, but we never had the GTS. So I thought we would bring this one in. And as we'd mentioned before, now this is the V8 model. The last one we had in was the V6. This one
is the V8.
V8, 550 horsepower, made in Italy by the Ferrari engine folks. So you don't have to pay that Ferrari price to get Ferrari performance. And when I say performance, holy moly, this thing flies.
Zero to 60 in 3.7 seconds, Dave.
Yeah.
That'll get you to where you need to go. And you were telling me earlier that it doesn't have a frame on the window, so when you roll the window down,
and
it's
I like
basically
that.
just
I've
nice
always
and
liked
clean.
that. They got away from it for safety issues. This one's got the painted calipers.
Yeah.
So if you want to go to the grocery store, but you want to go quickly and in style, this is what you want.
I love the interior.
Yeah.
You've got the paddle shifters. The speedometer goes up to 230 miles an hour. Suede kind of headlining with the speakers on the side, Dave.
Yeah, there's 6 speakers just on the A-pillars and the doors. This thing has got intelligent all-wheel drive. So if you actually got silly and started getting out of trouble, this has got enough safety equipment to keep any of that happening. And here's the other thing. We're talking about, going to the grocery store, going to the big box store. Let me just get my little...
And the back seat looks really comfortable. You've got the drink holders there as well, and it looks like you can put your skis through
and then look,
the
there's
other
that
side
little
if you
trap
want.
hole.
Sure, you can kind of get through there. And this is pretty roomy in the back side here as well.
Right, and they give you really nice tie downs that are adjustable. You just, move them anywhere you want to go so you can get your load tightened down. Because if you're going to drive this thing the way it's to be driven, you don't want anything loose.
Now, is it possible to start it up? I don't know if we've got the key handy or not.
Sure. Let me just hobble over here real quick. Like I said, it's got a proximity key.
Okay.
Put your foot on the brake.
Yeah.
And push this button.
Oh, yeah, that's got the, boy, the Maseratis just all sound like that, don't they?
Yeah.
Yeah,
and you
really
can actually,
beautiful.
The center knob.
And of course, the sound system is fantastic, and the GPS and the whole thing. Dave Stahl, appreciate it. The 2019 Maserati Levante GTS. The base model is 120, and they've got it.
Fun from there.
You can.
You can have fun from there, the way I look at it.
Back to you guys.
Well, here's what I want to know. If I put $2,000 down and trade in my other car, what would my payments be roughly over about a 4-year period?
A lot, Mark.
If you could calculate in the insurance for that as well, I would greatly appreciate it.
Yeah.
That's a car I'm never going to have. All right.